Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. So let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the start button to open the menu, then scroll through it, look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called vibration intensity, and after you find it, tap on it, of course. And here we have three options. We have off, soft, and strong. Off, of course, if you select it, the vibration will be turned off. Soft is the software one, and strong is the stronger one. So select the one you like, and after you're done, you can press the start button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.